Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I have finished the practice piece that I'm going to make into a machine cover for my Grace Unique. And I've been given this lap size quilt from a lady from Facebook who lives near me, and she says she doesn't want it back, but you can practice on it. So I am treating this as not a practice piece, but an actual quilt. So I've now backed it and put in some wadding, and I've stretched it, and I've put it on my frame. This camera keeps clicking in and out on the colour, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I'm going to try and take some footage of me working on it. Well, here goes. I have these battery operated lights here that shine down that should help me. What I'm going to be doing first is just stitching all the way around the outside of these chain dash. So take it over to where I want to start. As I'm going to be working up this end, let's move the camera. I'm trying not to sew into this flange thing. And I don't like that one at the moment. Go back to me old favourite that I like. One thing on my necky sewing machine, I couldn't have quilted this amount. I mean, how much is it? And this is the Unique 15R I am using, and I've been able to quilt the whole of this while stitching the ditch, and it's nearly 11 inches. So as the necky's only got an 11-inch throat, it just shows that it's better for me. But as you see, I've just done the outside of one of the chain dashes.